Whenever this banana dessert is made, everyone asks for the recipe. Start by placing 3 ripe bananas into boiling water over medium heat and cover for 5 minutes. Peel them and transfer to a bowl, then add the juice of 1 lemon and blend until smooth and creamy. Chop semi-sweet chocolate into small pieces and melt it in the microwave in short intervals, stirring each time until fully smooth. Add the melted chocolate to the banana mixture and stir well. Mix in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour everything into a container and spread it evenly. Then refrigerate for at least 3 hours until set. Once firm, remove it and finish with melted white chocolate on top. Slice, serve, and enjoy this rich and simple dessert. Would you try this at home or add your own twist